What's up guys, my name's Caitlin Morris and today we have another kvCORE tutorial for you. kvCORE is completely free for all signature agents, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about adding custom tabs to your website. So every signature agent gets a free website through kvCORE that's really great, but there is some customization you can do. So if you go to the Web and IDX tab on the left hand side, this is all related to your website, but now I'm just going to go to website content. From here, if you scroll down, on the left-hand side, you can see where it says custom pages. This will allow you to add tabs on your website to whatever you want. So in my last tutorial, I showed you how to make a squeeze page for luxury homes in Huntington. If I'm really trying to farm that area, I think it would be useful to add a tab like that to my website. So I'm just gonna click on new page from here. And then under title, I'm just going to name it Huntington Luxury Homes. If you wanted to have multiple squeeze pages in here under a category, because it could only show 3 tabs at a time on your website, but let's say I want to make squeeze pages for 5 different towns and have them all as a drop down, I could change the category to luxury homes in your area, and that would be the category for all the different squeeze pages. But this is just going to be one squeeze page on my website. I only want to focus on the area where I live. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the same thing into category. So all 3 fields at the top say Huntington Luxury Homes, and then I'm gonna scroll down. Page contents, don't put anything here. The only other thing that you need to input is under URL. You're gonna paste in the link to the page you want it to redirect to. So I'm gonna go back to this squeeze page I just made, copy the link, and paste it back into this field that says URL. Scroll down and click Save. And now there's a tab for Huntington Luxury Homes. So if I go to my website to make sure it works, oh, I have too many tabs in here. So let me just turn off my other 2 tabs. If you want to turn them off without deleting them, you can just click on the switch and unpublish them. I have a few in here, but I just want the one. So I'm gonna go back to my website, refresh, and now there's just that 1 tab. And I click on it, it brings me to the squeeze page with homes between $1 and $5 million currently on MLS in Huntington. So if you have any questions on this or any suggestions for new videos you'd like to see, please send me a message.